Hello, my name is Dillan Savage of Worth Law Office, and I practice primarily in the Oklahoma City, Oklahoma area. Today we are going to be talking about entities or other parties that are not going to be affected by the Aerospace and Defense Development Act of 2013. So as I discussed in an earlier video, that act was between three specific agencies for the purpose of really helping Oklahoma as a whole and all the individuals within it. However, there would be concern of all types of individuals and entities having to follow the requirements that were put into place by this Development Act. So there's a specific statute entitled Provisions Not Mandatory. It's in Title 3, Section 88. It's fairly short, so I'm just going to read it off for you so you can know word for word what this is. It says, no provisions of this act, meaning the Aerospace and Defense Development Act of 2013, is mandatory upon any city or town in Oklahoma or the governing body thereof in the acquisition, improvement, construction, operation, or maintenance of any municipally owned airport or air navigation facility, nor shall any provision of this act prevent or take away from any city or town governing board the authority to deal directly with any agency of the federal government in the matching of any funds made available by the federal government for acquisition, improvement, construction, operation, or maintenance of any municipally owned airport or air navigation facility. I have mentioned in previous videos that municipalities, municipal corporations, so to speak, are able to move forward with actions to either lease or acquire and run airports and other pretty much aeronautical places where they can run that and make money and make use of it for their municipality. And so what this provision, what this statute is meant to say is, hey, we're trying to make it where it's known that we are not putting constraints on these municipalities. They can still take steps, move forward in the pursuit of obtaining and running airports. If you found this video to be helpful or you believe it could help someone else, please go to theoklahomacityattorney.com. My name is Dillan Savage, and thank you for watching.